I'm going to show you the procedure on what you should be doing if you think or if you believe that your eBay account was hacked. So I'm going to provide you the list of steps what you should do if your account has been hacked. So all you have to do is just follow the instruction as guided. First of all, if you believe that your account was hacked, then you could simply sign out of your eBay account by tapping on your profile icon from the top left hand sidebar and then go to the sign out page. And here you could go ahead and tap on the sign in button one more time. And as per the login information, go ahead and type in your information, and here right on this page you could go ahead and tap on need help signing in. Then you can just go ahead and simply change your password, and that should be able to log your account out of all the devices that you're currently logged in. You could also go ahead and verify your contact information, that is shipping address and payment details as well. And if anything was changed by the person who took over your account, you could go ahead and change it back, and that should be able to fix it. Now, you could also go ahead and check your active bids and listing to make sure that they're yours. If there's any other product or any other items added back, then you could simply go ahead and remove it, and then you could also go ahead and try reporting it. And likewise, if nothing seems to be working out, then there is no other alternative than contacting the support team, and they should be able to look into your matter within no time. So these are some of the ways or steps you should be doing if you think that your account has been hacked. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.